Snoring is more than just noisy breathing. It's a way of sleeping that causes you to get less oxygen than ideally needed and also to keep your bed partner awake and angry. To be done with snoring before your partner is done with you, you can count on the natural help of GoodNiter. GoodNiter relaxes the soft palate and clears the airways so that breathing becomes even and soundless. That way, you get 8 hours of deep sleep, allowing your partner to enjoy the same and remain your partner. Find out how to get rid of snoring today at goodniter.com.